girl. Good morning.
Ooh, Santa came.
What do you think, babe?
Aw, fun. Let's go see what Santa got.
Come on, monkey.
Oh, I think he got me a bike, Kendra. Is that my bike?
My bike. There's a bill.
Is that the kind of bike you asked for? Do you love it?
Camera.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. It's a camera and a video camera. And you can put picture. What is this? You can edit them.
Kid, look at the cat. She's staring at you. No, kitty. No.
Alright, Kendra, it doesn't have the training wheels on it right now. But we gotta put some on there.
Get out there. Look at her. Get out there. Come here. Come here.
I got it on tape.
Come here. No.
Let's see what else Santa got you. Oh boy. Gosh, he got you so much stuff it's falling out of the top.
Good morning, Bobby. Hi, handsome. In the restroom. She's coming.
A cash register.
Morning, Jaja.
Well, let's look at all your toys. Come on, let's see what else Santa got you. And you got money for your cash register? What is that? They're skates.
I need to go back.
Oh.
Oh, go potty.
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl. We pause momentarily while she goes potty. What are you doing, Dad?
I'm trying to get stuff put in the oven. Y'all supposed to wait like 30 seconds.
We got woken up.
Well, that's because Josh is going to be coming.
Oh. This morning?